Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify with Printify in just a few easy steps. Whether you are launching your first print-on-demand store or just want to automate your designs, this video will guide you through the whole process. First of all, go to shopify.com and sign up or log into your account. Then open a new tab and go to printify.com and do the same, like sign in or log into your account. Now go to Shopify admin dashboard, click apps, then app and sales channel settings, then Shopify app store, search for Printify, click install. Then login again. On Printify, it's automatically redirected to Printify login page. Approve app permissions. Printify will confirm it's connected. In Printify, click Catalog from the left sidebar. Choose a product like t-shirts. Add a design. Click Start Designing button and go to Upload section, then My Device, and choose a design from your desktop like that. And click Save Product, or you can choose colors like that or variant. Then click Save Product. You can preview later. Then select one from here like that. Then save selection. Now enter a title, description, and set price. Then click Publish. Now choose Connect to Shopify. Then go back to Shopify dashboard. Then copy the link and paste here. Then click Connect. That's it. Now click Install. And log in again from here. Now, quick recap. Just go to Shopify dashboard, then online store, then search, then apps, and search for Printify. Then log into your Printify account and start designing. Set a design, set price, title, and connect to Shopify. That's it. You are now connected and ready to sell. Let me know in the comments if you faced any issues. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.